In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use apps in Slack. We'll walk through how to find the Apps and Workflows area, search for the tool you need, install it safely, and start using it right away. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect during the process. Start by opening Slack and looking to the left sidebar for the Admin option. Click the Admin gear icon, then choose Apps and Workflows. This takes you to the Slack app directory, which is the central place to browse and manage integrations for your workspace. If you don't see the admin option, your permissions may be limited, so you might need help from a workspace owner or admin. Otherwise, you're in the right place. At the top of the app directory, use the search bar to look for the tool you want to connect. Type the name of the app. Common examples include Zoom, Google Drive, or Microsoft Teams calls. As you type, Slack will show a drop-down with matching results. Click the app you're looking for to open its details page. This page is useful for previewing what the app does, who built it, and what features or commands it offers inside Slack. When you're ready, click Add to Slack. You'll see a permission screen explaining what the app can access, such as messages in specific channels or your basic profile information. Take a moment to review these details so you understand how the app interacts with your workspace. Then click Allow to continue. Some apps will prompt you to sign in to an external account, like Google or Microsoft, so they can connect securely. In other cases, your workspace may require admin approval before installation. If that happens, submit the request and wait for approval. Slack will let you know when it's ready. After installation, you'll be returned to Slack. Look for the app in the Apps section on the left sidebar. Open it to see its Home tab or Welcome screen and follow any setup steps provided there. Some apps guide you through choosing default channels or turning notifications on or off, which helps tailor the experience to your team's needs. From here, you can start using the app's features. Most apps support /commands, which begin with a / in the message field. Type a /, then the app's command to see suggestions and quick actions. This is a fast way to create meetings, share files, or trigger workflows without leaving Slack. That's it. Search, install, review, and start using your favorite tools directly inside Slack.